kahapon sa My Driver Sweet Lover.
Bagong aso nyo po?
Oo.
Katulad ho yan ng aso ng isang guest namin, si Ma'am Colleen.
Kung alam mo lang, Monique, hindi sa'yo yan, no?
You know what? I think my dog knows you.
Talaga? Hindi.
Yeah.
Kumain dito. Papunta kami doon sa ballroom. Ikaw, anong ginagawa mo dito? Floor ko to. Dito yung kwarto ko. Kung hindi ako nagkakamali, room to ni Mr. Ahmed.
Habang itong si Rocky, may pagkahabulin din, ano?
Rocky, thank you ulit, ha? Thank you
Baka
ulit.
Uy, may nagsiselos.
Rocky, may something ba kayo ng kapatid ko?
Palakpak naman ang tenga na itong si Rocky.
Nakita kami ni Ma'am Monique na nag-uusap. Tingin mo, Tol, nagsiselos yun.
Something's bothering me.
And why exactly you bothered, Gabby? May sinabi ba si Rocky sa'yo?
Wala.
You wanna go out tomorrow night?
Oh?
I just wanna go dancing.
May gusto sa'yo si Ma'am Monique. Hindi. Wala yun. Ang sabi niya nga kasi sa akin, special friend lang ang tingin sa akin.
See you tomorrow, Rocky.
Sige po, Ma'am.
Thank you ulit,
Wala
ha?
akong problema doon, Ma'am.
Mga klase ka talaga.
Bakit?
Bulin ka rin, Chick.
Mga ngay-ngay. Baka naman makahuli.
Simon, do you know how long Tito Ahmed is staying at the resort?
Nung nakausap ko siya, sabi niya, hindi pa raw siya sure eh. He's right here. Why don't we ask him? Excuse me, Mr. Al-Farouk. May we have a moment with you, please?
Yes, what is it?
Hi,
Hello,
Tito. Good
hello, Gabby.
afternoon.
How are you?
I'm okay.
Yes.
Sir, we just wanted to ask you if you already knew how long you'd be staying with us here at the resort.
I have no idea yet, but I will let you know once I have my final schedule.
Tito, would you like to transfer to our presidential suite? It's much more spacious and there are more amenities.
The presidential suite also comes with your own butler, and it's only 22,000 pesos a night.
You know what? I'm very happy with my present room. And my stay is complimentary. Why do you have to upgrade my stay?
Excuse me, complimentary?
Alam mo, sobrang sweet ni Rocky. Ginamot niya yung sugat ko. Hello? You're the sister of his boss? Natural, tutulungan ka niya, no?
Ikaw, sisira mo saan si Rocky? Kala ko ba BFFs tayo?
You know, your mother, Araceli, she asked me to stay here for free.
I'm sorry, I'm confused. I wasn't
But
informed.
if there is a problem, please
No,
let me
there's
know.
no problem. Your stay here is complimentary.
Simon, ba't mo
May
sinabi
problema ba?
Sorry, Monique. Sinasabi ko lang nasa isip ko. Anyway, anong sinasabi mo tungkol kay Rocky kanina? Magde-date kayo?
Yeah. We're gonna go clubbing tomorrow. Alam mo, you should come. Kailangan isama mo rin yung boyfriend mo.
Of course I'm gonna come. Para makilala ko na din yung Rocky mo.
So cute talaga, friend. Sobrang. I'm so excited.
Dapat cute siya. Kundi, ihanap kita ng iba.
Oh, nalito lang po si Gabby. Akala niya kasi nakalimutan niya complimentary pala yung stay ni Mr. Al-Farouk dito.
Oh, I'm sorry, Ahmed. Hi, how are you?
I'm very fine. How are you today? You look very beautiful, Miss Araceli.
Thank you, I'm fine.
Sorry ah.
Gabby, ikaw ang manager dito, hindi mo alam ang mga nangyayari?
It's okay, ma'am. Everything's been settled.
That's good. Oh, and by the way, congratulations. You and Gabby make a lovely couple.
Oh, you mean they're a pair?
Yes?
Wonderful and beautiful couple.
Thank you. Excuse me.
Sit down, Ahmed.
Thank you so much.
So, how have you been?
Your restaurant is really beautiful. I'm enjoying my stay here, Miss
I'm
Araceli.
very happy that you like it here.
I like it indeed. It's as beautiful as you.
How could he not inform me na libre pala yung stay ni Tito Ahmed sa resort?
What? Libre ang stay dito nung Arabong yun. Eh kung malugi kaya yung resort?
Alam mo, feeling ko may gusto kay Tito Ahmed yan eh. Alam mo, malalagot siya pag nagising si Papa.
Pero Bes, in fairness, ang ganda ng taste ng tita, ha? At ang lakas ng dating ni Arabo.
Saka pa eh.
O bakit?
But she's still married to my father. Tapos may ikipag-flirt siya kay Tito Ahmed.
Ito naman si Simon, imbes na kausapin si Mami na bigyan na lang ng big discount si Tito Ahmed, hinayaan pa ng gawing libre.
Gabi, ano ka ba? How could he say no naman to Tita Araceli?
Alam na nga na nalulugi yung Green Haven eh. Baka mamaya pati yung Blue Escape malugi. Saka general manager siya, dapat alam niya kung kailan gagawin ang trabaho niya at kailan magpapaka-boyfriend.
Yes naman, inisip mo ba baka naiipit lang si Simon? Kasi nga, boss niya eh yung girlfriend niya.
Kung ganun, kailangan niya mamili. Gusto ba niya maging boyfriend ko o maging general manager ng Blue Escape?
Kuya Asyong, laro naman tayo tong It's.
Bawal ka nga, sabi ni Lolo George.
Sus naman, no? Eh, bakit kayo ni Boy? Naglalaro kayo. Nakita ko kayo kaya.
Kahit na, Bert. Bata-bata mo pa eh. Mamaya kapag natuto kang magtongits may engganyo kang mga tambay dyan sa labas.
Aba, parang nag-aaway ba kayo ni Simon? 1 week pa lang kayo?
Hindi na nga ba sinasabi ko? That's why it's never a good idea to mix your personal and professional life.
Wait. I'm sensing LQ in the air. Kayo ni Simon nag-LQ.
First LQ? Naku, kailangan natin i-document yan.
Correct.
Diba?
Kailangan nag-document.
Para sa scrapbook nyo.
LQ ngayon.
It's part of the steps of your relationship.
George?
White.
Ano ba?
Ano ba, Lingway? Naiinis ka ng trigo.
Nakalingoy naman eh.
Si Maxie. Pinapupunta niya ako sa mansion. Bibili doon ng mga alahas. Pinapasama ka.
May LQ.
Naman.
Make sure na maayos lahat dito sa resort kasi ayoko na may maaksidente pa. Maliwanag?
Gabby. Bingo. Gabby.
Gusto mo bang sumama ako?
Gusto mo ba?
Kung gusto mo.
Kung hindi naman kita sasama, baka mamaya hindi naman bumili ng alahas yun.
O di, sasama na lang ako.
Nako, talagang gusto mo rin sumama talaga. Gusto mo siyang makita.
Gabby.
What do you want, Simon?
Gabby, I just want to apologize to you. Kasalanan ko rin kasi. I realized that hindi porket tayong dalawa pwede ko na ilagay yung relationship natin over a professional one.
Just forget about it, Simon.
I just said, Gabby, I can't forget about it, okay? Kailangan kong ituwid lahat ng mali ko
Sabi mo sa akin, hindi siya bibili ng alahas mo kung hindi ako kasama. Di sasama na ako para makabenta ka.
Gabby, yung ginawa ko, nagpaka-boyfriend ako. Hindi general manager ng resort. And that's not right. First of all, I should have told you Mr. Al-Farouk stay here was for free, but I don't know, I just thought that since I was your boyfriend, maybe it gave me the right to just make decisions for you, and that's not right, Gabby, because you're the CEO.
Can you just stop? I get it, okay? I get it.
Whitey, wala kang dapat ikabahala. Matagal na tayong magkaibigan at alam kong mabait ka. Si Maxie, ngayon lang kami nagkita, ngayon lang kami nakakilala, pero mabait naman siya. Whitey, marami na tayong pinagsamahan. Matatag ang ating pagkakaibigan. Wala kang dapat ikabahala. Okay?
Gabby, I made a big mistake on my part. I just really want you to see where I'm coming from.
Look, Simon. I'm a simple girl. I may be strict and strong-headed, pero madali naman ako magpatawad. Madali ako ma-please.
What do you mean?
Ang sinasabi ko lang, hindi mo kailangan sabihin sa akin lahat na sinasabi mo ngayon. Gawin mo lang kung ano yung ginagawa mo ng mga bata pa tayo.
Gabby, ano yun?
Don't you remember, nung mga bata pa tayo, pag nalulungkot ako, pinapasaya mo ako. Doon, okay na ako doon.
Gabi, noon yun eh. Iba na ngayon, Gabi, matatanda na tayo. These silly things just won't cut it anymore.